Welcome to Beautiful Home. Your front door is more than just an entry point. It's the very first handshake your home offers to the world. It sets expectations, hints at the style inside, and quietly tells a story about who lives there. In 2026, front door colors are all about warmth, confidence, and character. Think timeless shades with a modern twist, colors that feel welcoming, elevated, and unforgettable at first glance. Whether your home is modern, classic, farmhouse, or somewhere beautifully in between, the right door color can completely transform your curb appeal. Today, we're diving into the top 7 gorgeous front door colors for homes to create a welcoming entrance in 2026. Colors designers love, homeowners are embracing, and neighbors secretly admire every time they walk by. Deep olive green. Deep olive green continues to rise as one of the most sophisticated front door colors for 2026. It feels rooted in nature, timeless yet fresh, and works beautifully with stone, brick, wood, or neutral facades. This shade brings an instant sense of calm and stability. It whispers luxury instead of shouting for attention. Olive green doors pair perfectly with black hardware, aged brass handles, and warm outdoor lighting. It's especially stunning on homes surrounded by greenery, but just as striking in urban settings where it adds softness and depth. If you want a door color that feels welcoming, mature, and effortlessly stylish, olive green is a true standout. Warm charcoal gray. Charcoal gray is no longer cold or industrial. In 2026, it's warmer, richer, and incredibly inviting. This updated gray leans slightly earthy, making it ideal for modern, transitional, and minimalist homes. A warm charcoal front door adds drama without overpowering the exterior. It looks incredible against white, cream, beige, or light stone walls and gives your home a polished, architectural feel. Add matte black or brushed steel hardware, and suddenly your entrance feels intentional, designed, and quietly luxurious. This color is perfect if you love modern elegance but still want a welcoming, approachable vibe. Classic navy blue. Navy blue remains a favorite, and for good reason. In 2026, it's all about deep, rich navies with subtle warmth, avoiding anything too harsh or overly cool. A navy front door instantly adds structure and confidence to your home's exterior. It works beautifully with white trim, brass accents, and natural wood details. Navy feels reliable, elegant, and endlessly classic. It never goes out of style, yet always feels relevant. If you're unsure which direction to go but want something safe, beautiful, and universally flattering, navy blue is a color you'll never regret. If you're enjoying this video so far, take a moment to subscribe. And if you haven't already, like this video and leave a comment telling us which front door color is your favorite so far. We'd love to hear from you. Soft clay beige. For those who love subtle beauty, soft clay beige is one of the most welcoming front door colors of 2026. This shade blends warm beige with a hint of terracotta or stone, creating a cozy, sun-kissed effect. It's perfect for Mediterranean-style homes, modern farmhouses, and minimalist exteriors. Clay beige doors feel gentle and organic, instantly making guests feel at ease. Paired with natural textures like linen planters, wooden doors frames, or stone steps, this color creates a serene, harmonious entrance that feels calm and thoughtfully designed. Muted teal. Muted teal is where personality meets sophistication. Unlike bright or playful teals of the past, the 2026 version is deeper, calmer, and more refined. This color adds character without overwhelming the exterior. It looks stunning on both traditional and modern homes, especially when paired with white trim, warm wood, or neutral siding. A muted teal front door feels creative, confident, and welcoming, perfect for homeowners who want something unique but still timeless. It's a conversation starter that remains elegant and tasteful. Rich terracotta. Terracotta is making a strong comeback in 2026, and it's more refined than ever. Think rich, earthy tones inspired by sun-baked clay and Mediterranean landscapes. A terracotta front door instantly adds warmth, charm, and a welcoming glow, especially in the evening light. It pairs beautifully with cream walls, stone facades, and black or bronze hardware. This color feels soulful and inviting, perfect for homes that want to feel lived in, loved, and full of character. Terracotta doors make guests feel welcome before they even ring the bell. Soft black. Soft black is the ultimate power move for 2026, bold yet incredibly welcoming when done right. Unlike harsh jet black, this version has warm undertones that make it feel rich and refined. A soft black front door creates instant contrast and elegance, working beautifully with almost any exterior color. It feels timeless, architectural, and high-end, especially when paired with brass hardware, lantern-style lighting, or natural wood elements. This color says confidence, taste, and modern luxury, all while remaining inviting and grounded. Your front door is the beginning of your home story. In 2026, the most beautiful entrances are not about trends alone, they're about creating a feeling. Whether you choose deep olive, classic navy, warm terracotta, or soft black, the key is selecting a color that reflects warmth, intention, and personality. The right front door color doesn't just enhance curb appeal, it welcomes guests, elevates your home, and makes you smile every time you walk through it. Thank you for spending time with us here at Beautiful Home. If this video inspired you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's dreaming of a fresh exterior update. Until next time, may your home always feel inviting, stylish, and uniquely yours.